Here comes the bad news. Bonashri, Dipanita, Dia, and Smita. You guys are going back home.
Yesterday, the stage grew smaller, but the journey grew stronger. What begins with many is now carried by 16. And from here, every step matters more. A new day, and so does a harder test. No more warm up, no more waiting. This time, they must move with speed, strength, and control.
Listen, watch, absorb, and assess the environment that you are in. What are the tasks? A lot of team members give beautiful ideas how to start up with a match. Very few of them listen to them. And I was like smiling and I'm thinking, oh, somebody should pick up these pointers and they need to. And I think that's where they made the first mistake was everybody ran so fast the whole course. By the time they reached up the hill, they were already, their legs couldn't carry themselves. So I think most of the, extremely good, fitter girls, lost on Paitacha. So I honestly tell the girls, if they ever watch this, listen, absorb everything that's around you, understand, weigh your options and, act accordingly. So that's what the thing. And I think most of the girls understood that they need to be fit. As a model, you have to work for long hours, stand under light, wear heavy garments, walk the ramp, to wear different kinds of shoes. So you need to be fit to carry all that around. So, this was one task that I actually challenged them to put that in.
Before the spotlight, there is preparation. Before the walk, there is growth. Every model must learn how to carry the person within the pose.
So we have this session on PD, a personality development session. And here we are looking into some important points that are required for every professional, be it in whatever profession you are, modeling, an air hostess, a doctor, an engineer, certain level of professionalism you need to maintain. And we are going to talk about that personality, that aura that you need to build up. So it's about beauty with substance. What comes to your mind when we say beauty?
A person or something that makes us smile, looking at that thing or person that is beautiful.
Absolutely. And a combination of inner beauty and outer beauty. How we treat others.
Yes, how we treat others. So beauty is basically, it's not only something that radiates from outside, because beauty has to radiate from within, right? And from within, when you are talking about beauty, you need to be beautiful from inside. Only then your skin is going to glow, then you're going to have that, that aura to walk in the ramp, to be that successful and to be that confident, right? So that you need to develop right from the start. So I'll be giving you a few cues on that. The first being, you should have a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. So all of you must have heard about the growth and the fixed mindset, right? So how we develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is something which is about looking towards development. I'm Dr. Vasavi Acharya and I'm glad to be a part of the Father Calendar Fame 2025. And I'm an early childhood educationist. I work with children in their early childhood years. I've also been a TEDx speaker and I do a lot of work with adolescents and with grown-ups in order to improve their personality so that they can shine. In today's session, I covered some topics related to personality development of the models and what they need in order to do well in their field. So, during the session, I talked about resilience, a growth mindset, which is so important. Also, how they can gain knowledge in order to reflect an inner persona of knowledge and beauty. So, it was basically about beauty with substance, building a powerful inner and outer persona. They need to work on their 21st century skills, which are collaboration and communication, how they can solve a problem critically, and how they would collaborate instead of compete. So I did talk on how they can think of themselves as a team and work together as models to bring the best out in them.
We are nearing the end of beautiful journey. Every effort, every late night, every silent struggle now shows. From the people behind the scenes to the contestants on stage, this world came together to create something unforgettable. There were good days, there were hard ones as well. And there were goodbyes that stayed longer than expected. This is the beauty of the journey. Because in every contest, someone wins, someone loses. But everyone begins something new.
প্ৰথমতে মই ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ যে এইটো ডি ফাদাৰ কেলেণ্ডাৰৰ যোন শ্ব'টো কৰি এনেকুৱা ধৰা বিউটি পেজেণ্ট থাকে য'ত নেকি প্ৰথমে তোমাৰ শ্বৰ্ট লুক থাকে, ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল থাকে, তাৰপিছত ফাইনেল ৰাউণ্ড থাকে। তাত তোমাৰ ধৰা ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল, তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ গাউন এনেকুৱা ৰাউণ্ড থাকে। তাক হাই ছেশ্যনৰ আজিলৈ কৰা নাই, গুৱাহাটীত সেইটো চলাও নাই। হাই ছেশ্যনৰ প্ৰথমত আমাৰ মানে ডি ফাদাৰ কেলেণ্ডাৰতে হাই ছেশ্যন মেকআপটো প্ৰথমে আমি কৰিছোঁ। মই দুটা বস্তু মই ভাল পাইছোঁ ডি ফাদাৰ কেলেণ্ডাৰত। এটা হৈছে হাই ছেশ্যনটো প্ৰথম আমি কৰিছোঁ য'ত নেকি আমাৰ বিউটি কণ্টেষ্টত প্ৰথমবাৰ পাইছোঁ আমি। বিউটি কণ্টেষ্টবিলাকত কেনেকুৱা থাকে, প্ৰথমে থাকে আপোনাৰ চফ্ট লুক থাকিলে, ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল লুক থাকিলে, তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ গাউন, তাৰপিছত থাকে। কিন্তু মই ডি ফাদাৰ কেলেণ্ডাৰ এটাই মই ভাল পাইছোঁ যে ইয়াত আমাৰ ইউনিক, মই ভাবোঁ যে হাই ফেশ্বন মেকআপটো মই বহুত ইউনিক বুলি ভাবিছোঁ। হেল্ল', মই মঞ্জিত, মই ফেশ্বন মেকআপ আৰ্টিষ্ট আৰু মোৰ ঘৰ গুৱাহাটীতে হয় আৰু মোৰ এই প্ৰফেশ্যনত 19 ইয়াৰ্ছ ৰানিং হৈ আছে। নতুন মেকআপ আৰ্টিষ্টক এডভাইচ দিব পাৰিম বুলি প্ৰথমে মই নিজকে নাভাবোঁ। তেওঁ মই তাত এটা নতুন মেকআপ আৰ্টিষ্টক দুটাই কথা ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ যে মেইন কথাটো হৈছে আপুনি কল টাইম মেইনটেইন কৰা আৰু নিজৰ কামত ধৈৰ্য ৰখাটো। কিন্তু কামটো পিছলৈ আহে আৰু মই এডভাইচ দিব কৰা মেকআপ আৰ্টিষ্ট মই নিজেই নাভাবোঁ এতিয়ালৈ। ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল হৈছে যে কল টাইম মেইনটেইন কৰক আৰু কামত ধৈৰ্যটো ৰাখক।
And then comes a challenge they have never met before. Their style is no longer familiar, and confidence must learn a new shape.
য'ত আছে আলু য'ত আছে তাতে ইমানটি এটা শ্বট দিব লাগে। অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন চিম্পল, একদম চিনটো ল' কৰ, সময় নাই। Mid, whatever you want to do, you can do whatever you want to do, you can do. Two shots of only face. তাৰপিছত ওপৰত উঠি পেলাই মিড লেংথ শ্বট এটা, তাৰপিছত ফুল লেংথ শ্বট দুটা।
While one side of the stage is learning to perform, another side is quietly being built. The real show often begins long before the audience knows it. Sometimes the greatest surprise is not the task itself, but the people behind it. Because when effort is visible, respect flows naturally.
Back here and straight exit. No waiting. Straight exit. I don't want any pauses here again.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you to the Father Calendar Fame 2025. আজি অনুষ্ঠানটি আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ পূৰ্বে আমি শ্ৰদ্ধাঞ্জলি জ্ঞাপন কৰিম অসম তথা ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ সম্পদ আমাৰ অতিকৈ মৰমৰ জুবিন গাৰ্গলৈ আৰু এগছি বন্তি জ্বলাই আজি আমি অনুষ্ঠানটি আৰম্ভ কৰিম। ওম শান্তি। জুবিন দা, তুমি য'তেই আছা ভালে থাকা। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the contestants of the Father Calendar Fame 2025.
And now, the stage transforms. Tradition, style, and presence meet in one long walk where every detail speaks.
We are now about to begin the round 2, and this round, our beautiful girls will be wearing the designer Kluampui Hummer. The very renowned designer Kluampui Hummer belongs to the beautiful state of Mizoram, and she owns the very prestigious institution Kluampui Hummer Academy of Fashion and Design. Ladies and gentlemen, please put a big round of applause for our beautiful contestants wearing the designer Kluampui Hummer.
After every performance, the number fall again. What remains is not just beauty, it is composure under pressure.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, welcome to the last segment of today's pre-finale of the Father Calendar Fame 2025. Well, in every contest, every contestant has its own time, and today a few of our contestants will be marking the last night, the last evening on this very prestigious day. And now it's time to the most hard part of this event, that is the elimination round. Now, beautiful ladies, please remember that the judgment made by our respective judges are not only based on today's performance, but the numbers that you have scored throughout the past 3 days. I know that all of you are nervous, and I hope that you all hold your breaths together and wish for the best. And with that, as I take your names, I request the following contestants with their contestant numbers to please come forward. Contestant number 4, Priya Odhikari. Contestant number 9, Himshikha Das. Contestant number 5, Ashmita Sharma. Contestant number 15, Bandita Shubhalakshmi Sharma. Contestant number 9, we do have contestant number 9, Himshikha Das. Contestant number 13, Raunak Kaur. And contestant number 11, Priyanka Das. And with a heavy heart and utter sorrowness, I now break the news that Priya Otikari, contestant number 4, Ashmita Sharma, contestant number 5, Bandita Shubhalakshmi Sharma, contestant number 15, and Priyanka Das, contestant number 11. I'm very sorry, but this is the last night you will be present with us, as you all four are going back. Ladies and gentlemen, and these are the top 12 contestants who will be prepping up for the finale of the Father Calendar Fame 2025, which shall take place on 22nd of November 2025.
In this journey, every round asks the same question: who can stay when the stage asks for more? They walked with hope, carried stories, sacrifices, expectations. But tonight, the journey ends here for some. Not because they weren't enough, but because sometimes life doesn't choose everyone at once.
It's a very sad feeling that this has to end all, but still grateful that we had to be part of this. It was very much fun, so much experience, so much ideas shared. Yeah, but still sad that it has to end this quickly. But guys, I mean, the show was supposed to end today initially, but the fact that we still have tomorrow, like, it's just so nice. At least we get one last time to sleep together, make more reels, exactly, yeah. So yeah, we will miss each other though, but this was amazing. This was definitely amazing. I've never seen a show or done a show like this. The team members and everyone in the production has put so much effort. It's not like a normal show. When I tell you that, trust me, they have like big, beautiful professional ramps. They've got extreme tasks. It's a wonderful experience.
So the entire journey is surreal because before I came here, I did not expect that the Father would have this type of task because it's to another level. It has been challenging each of us from the first.
Those guys are very unpredictable. They make me run in the morning. So. As much as everything has been exciting and fun, it was very, very, very challenging. It was very challenging. I won't lie. It's fun, but you're just always on your tippy toes because you don't know what's next. You don't know what's coming your way. You're selected, eliminated. So,
And I can see the entire team is very, very hardworking, and everybody is very cooperative and very available whenever we need to know something, be it any kind of update or any information, they're all available. And I can see them literally working hard, waking up and sleeping at 3, waking up at 4. Before we even come, we see them already, doing the backstage work and setting up the camera and everything. So yeah, they're very hardworking, and I love all of them. They're very, very amazing and talented people.
Everything what they were doing, they are doing, like apps and all. It's very creative.
yeah, very creative. Yeah, that's the piece. But we do love a good challenge, eh? We did. Exactly. Look at.